concern. Look at, a man with psychotic depression, neurotic depression, a psychopath can beat up a wife, strip the wife naked in front of everybody, and they don't care. Na kaji na Okwasea for award Yeya. Who are Jimmy for bebre? Nimfawa sorry awoko. Okwasea na wad Yeya. Who are Jimmy ni wo bebre? Take it. Nyame asemu ni ebetime yi free. Yeah. Who are Jimmy ni wo bebre? Da wani abre Okwasea da no pa wo ba so be ka cho so be di kokonte ni abanko. Sorry, no, I will come here and time, and no, and more, and you know, the moment we are so see about you know, no, that is how they think, that's how they articulate. Yeah, not no. One more, papa, throw mom, couldn't and Okwasea command and mom, yes, sir. Papa, the award, the woman, our dear Kuramuno. Now, why the one ma, the end people? The Bible said the entrance of your word brings light. This is why the Bible said, you know, I love it in I think it's Isaiah chapter number 28 verse number something, where the Bible said, for if they don't speak like this, it is because the light of God is not in them. If they do not communicate like that, it is because there is no light in them. Chapter 5:28 or 5:28:5, whichever. Look for it, for not part of my notes. I will stand here and I'm telling you that people in the scriptures, guys, I mean seriously, when the people become, I was telling the day that, you know, there are so many people now in the house of the Lord. You feel they love God, they love Jesus, they are very committed, they are very loyal and all that, but I can boldly tell you, let those people get a breakthrough right now. I mean, big breakthrough beyond themselves. Maybe let me make it easy. You hit, you know, almost about $10 million. What do you? Fawajini wura someone mekan. Fawajini wura someone mekan. So what you say? $10 million in different accounts. I can boldly tell you that most of you here will not be sitting here this morning. Yeah.